Whether you're just joining the SUV trend, or if you have one that you'd like to replace, there are plenty of reliable used models to choose from. Finding a reliable used SUV that has already taken most of its depreciation hit is a wise purchase decision. iSeeCars.com has done the research and put together a list of the longest-lasting used SUVs for sale under $20,000. Before we continue, please subscribe and hit the bell button on for more informative automotive videos. Number 10. 2013 Dodge Durango. An American midsize SUV, the Dodge Durango ranks 10th. One of the Durango's most distinguishing traits is its aggressive, muscular styling. In a word, it simply looks tough. And no other SUV in its class has this sort of muscular exterior. To its credit, its attractive sheet metal is backed up with athletic on-road handling that is rare in this segment. The midsize Dodge Durango offers 3 rows of seating with ample cargo and passenger room. It comes with 2 powertrains, a 290 horsepower V6 engine or a powerful 360 horsepower V8, for those who want a more rugged family vehicle. 1.3% of those SUVs are still on the road with over 200,000 miles on the clock. A 2013 Dodge Durango can be found for an average price of $13,500. Number 9. 2013 Toyota Highlander. A Highlander is the successful recipe for a family-friendly crossover SUV. To a platform with car-like handling and ride qualities, add roomy passenger and cargo accommodations. Once you're on the road, the not too big, not too small Highlander is easygoing, and it can even be spirited if you opt for the more powerful V6. Everything you'd want in an ideal family hauler is here. Notably a quiet, roomy cabin that seats up to 7 passengers. Plus, features such as keyless ignition and entry, and a backup camera. While the Highlander's third row is less spacious than that of some rivals, it's easy to reach thanks to a nifty 40-20-40 split second row, with a removable center seat that facilitates walk-through access. 1.3% of Highlanders are still on the road with over 200,000 miles on the clock. A 2013 Toyota Highlander for sale costs an average of $14,000. Number 8. 2013 Acura MDX. Fun-to-drive luxury crossover SUVs are understandably uncommon. If you wanted such refinement, entertainment, and utility all in one package, you'd typically have to look at a handful of German models. And while those crossovers have broken the SUV mold, they also have a tendency to break budgets in the process. Thankfully, there's a 2013 Acura MDX to keep matters realistic. It might not be the quickest in its class, but thanks to its 300 horsepower V6, the MDX is always eager to please. And even with its taller SUV stance, the MDX remains poised in the curves, thanks in no small part to an advanced all-wheel drive system that sends power to the outside wheels when cornering. The MDX is fun to drive on dry pavement, and sure-footed when the weather hits. 1.6% of these SUVs are still on the road, with over 200,000 miles on the clock. The 2013 Acura MDX for sale costs an average of $14,000 in the used market. Ranked 7th is the 2015 Honda Pilot midsize SUV, which is a spacious 3-row crossover SUV that appeals to those who want a family-friendly hauler but don't want a giant full-size SUV. The popular minivan alternative has a 250 horsepower V6 engine, with standard features including a rear-view camera, an 8-inch infotainment screen, and Bluetooth connectivity. The top-tier touring trim adds rear parking sensors as a safety feature. It's the last model year of the vehicle's previous generation that underwent a redesign in 2016. The main advantage is space. There's plenty of room on the inside, and even the third-row seats can accommodate adults, making this large crossover a true 8-passenger vehicle. The 2015 Honda Pilot for sale costs an average of $15,500 in the used market. Number 6. 2013 Lincoln Navigator. The 2013 Lincoln Navigator still has plenty of presence. A massive square-jawed face and an imposing profile with chrome flourishes highlight the exterior, while genuine wood accents and more luxury features that you can count on are found inside. And thanks to its rugged and traditional body-on-frame construction, the Navigator can take on the heavy towing tasks that would send even the largest crossover scurrying back to safety on its suburban driveway. 2.6% of these SUVs are still on the road with over 200,000 miles on the clock. Beyond that, however, the Navigator has little to offer. A 2013 used Navigator costs an average of $14,500. Number 5. 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. The 5th-ranked Chevrolet Tahoe, like its classmates, has a powerful V8 engine that earns decent fuel economy estimates compared to its competition. It has an upscale cabin and is easy to drive and maneuver despite its large size. A smaller sibling to the massive Suburban, the Tahoe manages to combine broad-shouldering toughness with a refined demeanor, making it a good choice for those who want to take a long road trip with their new toys in tow. But even when nothing is hooked up to the trailer hitch, the Tahoe makes for a pleasant way to get around, thanks to its high seating position, excellent outward visibility, and quiet, comfortable cabin that can seat up to 9 passengers. 4.1% of them with over 200,000 miles on the clock are still on the road. The average price for a 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe for sale is $13,500. Number 4. 2013 GMC Yukon and Yukon XL. 2 additional full-size SUVs from General Motors joined the Suburban to include the GMC Yukon and its extended-length variant, the GMC Yukon XL. These vehicles include a standard 9-speaker Bose audio system and Bluetooth pairing capabilities. Both models can fit 7 to 9 passengers depending on configurations. The standard Yukon offers average cargo room for its class, while the Yukon XL offers extra room that is comparable to the Suburban. 3.2% of them with a mileage of over 200,000 miles are still on the road. A 2013 used GMC Yukon XL costs an average of $18,500, while a standard used GMC Yukon costs $19,500. Number 3. 2013 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Hybrid version of the Toyota Highlander come in front-wheel or all-wheel drive, and offers 3 rows of seating with a 3rd row that provides more space than the average for the class. Both offer perfect safety scores. This Toyota crossover also has strong fuel efficiency to its credit, with the inline 4-cylinder engine delivering impressive mileage. 4.2% are still on the road, with the clock above 200,000 miles. A used Toyota Highlander Hybrid costs around $17,000. Number 2. 2013 Chevrolet Suburban. The 2013 used Chevrolet Suburban has an upscale cabin and offers seating for up to 9 with a spacious 3rd row. Chevrolet Suburban 1500 has good fuel economy for its class, with a real-world average consumption of 14.4 miles per gallon. Standard features include a USB connection and Bluetooth connectivity, while a rear seat entertainment system, dual-zone automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, heated and cooled front seats, and heated 2nd row seats are available on higher trim levels. Even 4.9% of Suburbans are still strong with more than 200,000 miles covered. A 2013 Chevrolet Suburban for sale costs an average of $15,000. Number 1. 2013 Ford Expedition. The longest-lasting used SUV for under $20,000 is the 2013 Ford Expedition Large SUV, which offers 3 full rows of seating. 5.2% of these SUVs reach 200,000 miles and are still running. It comes with a powerful V8 engine and provides a smooth ride, which makes it a capable family hauler for those who need a lot of cargo and passenger room. Family-friendly features include rear seats that fold easily into the floor to expand cargo space, and a spacious 3rd row that is comfortable for passengers of all sizes. A 2013 Ford Expedition for sale can be found for an average of $14,000. Thanks for the visit. Please subscribe and hit the bell button on for more informative automotive videos. Stay tuned.